Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hello learners, my name is Stephen Kariungi and we continue with our topic of discussion, and this is classification 2. We are discussing the classes in the phylum Arthropoda. So far we have already discussed class Crustacea in terms of the examples and the general characteristics that we have in class Crustacea. I would briefly want us to discuss the importance of class Crustacea. And one of the importance is that crustaceans are sources of human food. For instance, the prawns, the lobsters, etc. That is one of the importance of class Crustacea. They also have an ecological importance in that they are primary consumers. So they are primary consumers, feeding on various aquatic plants or the various aquatic producers. So basically that is as far as the class Crustacea is concerned. Now we are going to move to the next class, and this class is class Chilopoda. And in this class Chilopoda we mainly have the centipedes. And if you look at the shape of the centipedes, they have what we call a dorsal, ventrally flattened body. What does that mean? Dorsal is the back side of the body, ventral is the front side of the body. So they are flattened from the back to the front. That's why we are saying that they have dorsal, ventrally flattened bodies. So that is number 2. This is class Chilopoda. Class Chilopoda. And we are saying that here we have the centipedes. In terms of their characteristics, one is that they have a dorsal, ventrally flattened body, or if they have a dorsal ventrally flattened body. So it's flattened from the back to the front. Number 2 is that their body has 15 or more segments. Their bodies consist of 15 or more segments. So basically they have many segments, not a specific number, but a large number relatively. Number 3, they have a pair of legs in each of the segments. So each of the segments of a centipede has a pair of legs. So if, for example, we have these as the segments, so in every segment there is a pair. In every segment there is a pair. In every segment there is a pair. So these are the legs. So they have a pair of legs. So legs of a centipede. Number 4, they also have a pair of simple eyes. They have a pair of simple eyes. They have a pair of antennae. We talked about the antennae being for sensitivity. A pair of simple eyes, a pair of antennae, a pair of legs in each segment. 15 or more segments, dorsoventrally flattened body. They also have poison claws. That inject poison into their prey to paralyze them. So they are carnivorous. They are carnivorous, and that's why they have poison claws that will inject poison into their prey so that they can paralyze them and therefore be able to feed on them. So we are saying that they are basically carnivorous. In terms of body parts, they have 2 body parts. That is the head and the trunk. The head and the trunk. So basically those are the features that we find in class Chilopoda, which are the centipedes. Dorsoventrally flattened body, body that is flattened from the back to the front. From the back to the front. They have 15 or more segments. That means relatively many. They have a pair of legs in each segment, a very important and unique feature, especially when it comes to distinguishing between the class Chilopoda and the next class, which is Diplopoda. So that is a segment. So that is one segment. So a pair of legs in every segment, a pair of simple eyes, a pair of antennae. They have poison claws that inject poison into their prey to paralyze them. That is, they are carnivorous. They have 2 body parts, the head and the trunk. And then lastly, number 8. Gaseous exchange is through tracheal system. So they have a tracheal system for gaseous exchange. So you'll have an assignment on that. So the first question draw a well-labeled diagram of a centipede showing the legs, antennae, and simple eyes. And 2, state 2 unique characteristics of class Chilopoda, as we have discussed. So we'll stop there. Until next time, goodbye.